Subscribe now.
Hey guys, what's up? So we've been talking about lots of fat. The fitness industry is completely changing from a low carb diet to high fat diet. So today we got something very special that's about coconut milk latte.
Coconut milk has abundance of nutrients. So the South Indian diet comprises a lot of coconut milk, and we use a lot of coconut milk while we make a lot of dishes. The main reason of using coconut milk is coconut milk has trace elements which are responsible for regulation of electrolytes. It is really more nice and more important. Why? Because it also helps you to take care of your nervous system. It also gives you maximum energy to push yourself. So let's see what we have got today, and let's quickly make the coffee and the latte.
Let's go.
So we need a jar. If you have a NutriBullet, that's well and good. If you do not have a NutriBullet, you can make it over a flame also on the gas. So I have a NutriBullet. I'm going to use this wherein I have an option to warm this. So I have a half cup of water.
Just to add more few things into it is that the coconut milk are high in micronutrients, so it's very high in vitamin C kind of stuffs. So it helps you to improve your immune system at the same time.
Right. So I'm taking about more than half a teaspoon. It depends on what your taste is. I like my coffee a little stronger, so I'm going little more on it. Then you have your coconut milk. The milk what I'm using is from the company called as Dabur. That's an Indian company. You get it easily available even on Amazon.
I think we should have another video which showing how to make the coconut milk.
Yeah, we would be making organic coconut milk. Then I have your stevia granules. That's about 2 tablespoons of the same. There you go.
So if you're on keto diet or kind of intermittent fasting kind of a diet, you should ideally use stevia, if not a normal sugar.
All right, so our latte is done. The other option is, if you do not have a NutriBullet, please, you can use a normal blender. You could blend your coffee into it. You can warm it over a flame.
So it's a great substitute for the tea, the normal tea that you use. If at all you are not suitable with the milk, you can definitely use this one because coconut milk has got lots and lots and lots of health benefits. All right, the coffee is ready. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe to get the latest news, latest recipes, latest ideas of fitness. And please hit the bell button to get the intimation whenever we go live or whenever we have a new video coming up.
Stay tuned with us. Now we're going to quickly take a break and have the same.
Cheers, go.